and welcome back to my channel MS Photoshop Manipulation. Today I will show you how to remove a sky by using channel in Photoshop. So let's begin, my friends. So in this image I will explain you how to remove sky by using channel. So stay tuned. So first of all you have to click on channels and turn off the eyes, and here you have to duplicate this channel. So just right click here, and here it is, my friend, duplicate channel. So just click it here, and now the magic will happen. So now you have to click Ctrl L and it will appear levels. See, I will doing black, which means I have to keep, and the white portion I have to remove. Now see, the most of the parts have not been selected, so just click on brush tools and then click on overlay. Now you have to click Ctrl and select black color. Now you have to do black. So now you see that all the parts have been selected. Click on select and then select inverse, and now you have to click Ctrl. It means it selected the whole white part. So and now you have to click on layers and copy the background, which means you have to click Ctrl J and now delete and turn off the eyes, and here it is, my friends. See, the whole sky deleted. So if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also stay tuned my channels to get more videos. So that is for today's, guys. Bye bye.